Hello everyone, welcome back to another question from series of 30 Days of Pandas in LeetCode. And today we are going to solve the delete duplicate emails question. The data frame that we have has two columns, ID and email. And what we need to do is to write a solution to delete all duplicate emails and keep only one unique email with the smallest ID. For the SQL users, you need to delete instead of select, and for Pandas users, please note that you're supposed to modify person in place. And in fact, when they say you want to do it in place, they add that you don't return anything, and we just check the data frame after the changes. And as you can see here, you have the example that it removes the john@example.com with the ID 3 because the ID 1 is the first one. So in order to do this, you need to do two steps. First is to make sure that you're sorting your values in case that the IDs are not sorted. And then you simply drop the duplicates and keep the first. But both of these functionalities in Pandas has the option of in place, so you don't need to return anything to anywhere. So you do person dot sort values, and we need to sort values by both ID. Let's first do the email, since email is more important, and then the ID, and in place equal true, and then you need to do person dot drop duplicates by, sorry, it's not by, it's subset, and the subset is email. Keep is equal to first because it's already sorted, and finally in place equal to true. Just keep in mind that when you do the in place equal true, then the result of the action will be null, so you cannot chain these functionalities together directly, and you need to call one and let it do its task and then call the other functionality. And okay, I think, is this okay? And that's it. Thank you very much. If there is any question, I would answer in the comments, and you can help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much.